Okay guys, today we're gonna test this scratch and swirl remover, and we're gonna test it on the roof. So it has some scratches here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. So there's one there. I don't know if you can see it. And it has a couple here, especially in this corner. You can see it right there. Have a couple of scratches here, but the rest of the roof is fine. So for that we're gonna test this scratch and swirl remover. So let's test it out. And now the swirl marks are gone, but I still have the deep ones. I have one here, and the other one there. I still have two scratches because those are too deep. So this will work for swirl marks and scratches, but light scratches. If the scratch is deep, maybe you need like a better, like a buffer to remove the scratches. But for light scratches and swirl mark, this one is amazing. I like it. Okay guys, this was the Nexgen swirl and scratch removal. Okay, it works great for swirl marks and scratches, but only for light scratches. If you have deep scratches, maybe you need a professional tool to remove it, but for light scratches and swirl marks, it works great. It's amazing. So the link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.